Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we will be working on comparing fractions and we're going to be reviewing some of the basic rules. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. So, our two basic rules today are if you have the same numerator, then you will look at the denominator and you will choose the smallest one. If we're looking at the same denominator, then we are going to choose the fraction with the biggest numerator. I'm going to explain a little bit more about how that looks. So let's start with our fraction number 1 over here. We have 2/3 and 3/3. We notice that they both have the same denominator, but different numerators. Okay, so our denominator is on the bottom. So if we have the same denominator, then we are looking for the one with the biggest numerator. Oops, with the biggest numerator. So that would be this one right here. So that means that is the biggest one. And we put that right there. And we can prove it using our fraction bars down here. If we cut both of them into thirds because they both have thirds. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but they are both the same with thirds as their whole. So this one, I got 2, this one, and this one. And this one I've got 3, this one, and this one, and this one. So if we're looking at it from the perspective of who has more, the second fraction, 3 out of 3 has more. Therefore, the fraction reads as follows. 2/3 is less than 3/3. All right, let's go ahead and try that one more time. We have 2/4 and 2/6. In this one, we have 2 numerators that are the same. So we're going to look at the rule up here. Same numerator, check, check. Choose the smallest denominator. And the smallest denominator is 4. Therefore, 2/4 is greater than 2/6. And again, I can prove that. So we're going to go ahead and split up my fraction bars to the best of my abilities. There we go. And then that one's 4ths and this one is 6. And again, these don't have to be perfect. You just have to try really hard to make sure that you're trying your best. So we have 2/4 and 2/6. You notice that 2/4 ends right here. And 2/6 ends right here, making 2/4 the bigger fraction. Therefore, the way we read this fraction is 2/4 is greater than 2/6. Alrighty, students, I'm going to give you guys about 10 minutes. You're going to stop this video right here, and you're going to solve 1, 2, 3 of the problems that we have right now, and then you're going to come back and you're going to check your answer. Okay? Go ahead and pause right now. Alrighty, students, welcome back. We are going to be checking our answers. We have 4/6 and 5/6. Let's look at the rules. We have 2 denominators that are the same. So the rule is same denominator, choose the biggest numerator. The biggest numerator is this one. Therefore, this is my answer. And again, I can prove it using 6 on both top and bottom. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to make sure you're trying your best. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4, 6 on top, 5, 6 on the bottom. Obviously, this one ends right here, and this one ends right here. Therefore, the bigger fraction is 5, 6. So the answer is going to be read as following: 4, 6 is less than 5, 6. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and work on 2 4s and 2 6. We notice that we have two like numerators and different denominators. So the rule is at same numerator, smallest denominator. So same numerator, smallest denominator. Therefore, 2 4s is my larger fraction. So let's go ahead and show this on here. Oh, and I just realized these two are exactly the same. Okay, so we can skip this one for now because it's exactly the same answer. We followed the same rule. Then we have 1/2 and 1/8. We have similar numerators, and the rule is same numerator, we pick the smallest denominator. Same numerator, smallest denominator. Again, that's an 1/8, and that's a 1/2, and these are 8ths. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, does not have to be perfect. You just have to try your very, very best. Okay, so this whole entire thing is 1/2. And this is 1/8. It is very obvious here that 1/2 is bigger than 1/8. Alrighty, boys and girls. Go ahead and complete this assignment on your own and then get on Schoology. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.